Okay, so these are my morning skincare items that I'm going to use. Of course, you need perfume. So this is the scent of Today, Nectarine Blossom and Honey Cologne by Jo Malone. Obsessed with this. And then, of course, my Jisoo hair perfume. This is the biggest size, as you can see. It's like there's a dent in it, but that's okay. That's what it's used for. And this is my Intense Pulse light wrinkle reducing instrument, and this thing is fantastic. So yeah, so I just want to put on my lip gloss. This is the Clarins lip oil, sorry, not lip gloss, lip oil, and I love it. So nice. So yeah, we have a lot to do today. We have weekly planning. I'll be right back after sneeze. Oh, have you watched Summer House Martha's Vineyard? What do you think about that? For me, my opinion, I think they need to come back with the show with a more spicier group. I think they're all trying to put up this image on that show that, oh, we don't fight. We are trying to be, hold ourselves according to a standard. Look, this is a show, everyone wants to see a little bit of feistiness and spicy stuff happening. So I think they need to just regroup on Summer House Martha's Vineyard and bring a little bit more fun. And also the fighting doesn't make sense. Like, they will argue, and then when they go to commercial, they come back, they're not fighting anymore. They've made up. It's like where's the climax? Where's the, like, take me through it. Like, how did you fight and then in commercial break you come back, you guys are hugging? Like, make it make sense. I just feel like that show has potential. You just need to put more effort into it. That's what I think about the Summer House Martha's Vineyard. I'm not trying to compare it to the first Summer House, because they all have their own characters as well. But I think with Summer House Martha's Vineyard, it has a lot to bring, but they just also need to do the work and regroup and bring the spice to it. You know what I mean? So they had a reunion on I think Watch What Happens Live on that set. I don't know why they had a very big reunion the first season. The second season, they didn't have a good reunion. But they are on pause. They didn't say the reason why, but I feel like that's the reason why. They need to regroup and come back with more spice. And then I am watching Jersey. Like I told you before, Jersey is like, the beginning is so boring. It's very boring. And then in the middle, that's when it picks up and you're like, wow, what's going on? But the brother and the sister, it's just very odd to see that constant fighting with brothers and sisters. Like, that's your brother, that's your sister, get along. But that's it for now. And then if you have any recommendations or any things you want me to like check out, let me know. My nails, I think next week. My daughter was asking me that today. She's like, where are your nails? You don't want to put them on? My daughter, just love her. Yeah, I'm gonna put on my nails, I think next week. So warming this up. Okay, so I am making suya tacos. So my dad bought me suya seeds. You always wanna use like your stove top to like warm up the tortilla. So we're going to put in all the ingredients. Okay, I'll be right back. So this is good. I'm going to definitely sprinkle the suya seasoning on here. Let me get some lettuce as well. And then I got some green onions, so I'm gonna cut that up as well. I'm gonna drizzle avocado sauce on here. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. All right, let's take a bite of our suya taco. Yum. Okay, so I made egg, bacon. I was going to make plantain, right? But the plantain is too soft. Am I the only one that doesn't like hard, like soft plantains? It's too soft, so I'm just gonna do waffles. So this is what I got. Eggs, bacon, and waffles. And then I'm gonna add some berries to it. And I'm probably gonna add kimchi. I don't know why, I just love kimchi. Okay, so added some berries. And that is my breakfast or brunch because I do intermittent fasting, so I'm gonna eat that. I think I'm gonna add kimchi because I love kimchi. I just love it. So I think I'll probably add it like right here, just a little bit. Okay, so I added the kimchi to it. So yeah, eggs, bacon, sausage, and my waffles, and they're just like tiny, little tiny waffles. But yeah, that's my breakfast or brunch. Yummy.